हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 10 ज्योग्राफी का फर्स्ट चैप्टर फील्ड विजिट, उसके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। तो चलिए देखते हैं अपने चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अपना, मेक अ रिपोर्ट ऑन योर फील्ड विजिट। आंसर, notice students should create their own answer. Below is just an example. We started our trip from Nalduk towards Kilbag. Our station was Solapur. We critically observed the place on the basis of first, relief; second, vegetation; third, water bodies. On the way to Solapur, we saw dry grass and shaded trees, and concluded that it processes the dry, deciduous types of vegetation and saw traces of linear settlements. Now we arrived at the place region of Indapur. From the slopes of Balghat ranges of Solapur, we saw green vegetation of sugarcane everywhere because of the availability of irrigation facilitated by Ujni Reservoir built on River Bhima. After crossing it, we went climbing the Sinhagad fort from the Sinhagad foothills. उसका आंसर दिया हुआ है आपको यहाँ पर। We observe many physical features like valleys and rocks made from a volcanic eruption. We found basalt igneous rock there. There is also a Khadakwasla reservoir which serves water and Kalyan Darwaja. After that process to Alibag, there were slopes of the Western Ghats. आपको बाकी का आंसर आपको यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, जिसे आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं। सेकंड है, prepare a questionnaires for a field visit to a factory. आंसर, the questionnaires for a field visit to factory as is follow. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और वीडियो ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए। फर्स्ट है, व्हाट इज द ईयर ऑफ एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ दिस फैक्ट्री। सेकंड, which goods are manufactured in this factory. Third, how many workers are working in this factory. Fourth, which raw materials is essential for a good manufacture in this factory. Fifth, from where is raw material required for manufacturing the food purchase. बाकी क्वेश्चन आपको यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, यहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं। थर्ड है, हाउ विल यू मैनेज देयर लिटर ड्यूरिंग द फील्ड विजिट। आंसर है, वी विल मैनेज द लिटर ड्यूरिंग फील्ड विजिट इन द फॉलोइंग वे। फर्स्ट, कैरिंग कंटेनर्स, बैग, dustbins to collect litter dump on a field. Second, informing everyone to not dump trash waste on the field during field visit. C. Creating awareness about the cleanliness using charts and banners or performing states play, etc. Fourth, informing and requesting officials to local corporations for taking immediate remedial action against litter waste dumped on the field. Fourth, what items will you take with your the field visit? Answer, we will take the following items for us for field visit. First, notebook, pen, pencil, scale, camera, etc. to collect information. Second, compass for knowing direction and maps of the understanding various location. 3. Questionnaire as per the purpose of field visit. बाकी का आंसर आप यहाँ से लिखेंगे। Fifth, outline the importance of field visit. Answer, the importance of field visit can be outlined with the help of the following points. First, field visit help in understanding various geographical concepts, elements and processes through direct personal experiences. Second, it's help in enhancing the understanding and sensitivity about the historical, economic, social and cultural facts about the selected fields. Third, it makes the study of geography for interesting and support their application of knowledge.
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ। इयत्ता 10वीच्या मराठी सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब नक्की करा, व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा।